Today we are reviewing the London 2012 train set. This symbol here denotes the London 2012 Paralympic Games, and this symbol denotes the London 2012 main games. It tells you here that you've got to be 8 years old or more to have this train set. So if you're like 8 going on 80, then it's the ideal thing for you. Here it shows you the track that you're given. You're given an oval track and enough pieces to make a siding. Also included in the set is the power adapter and the controller, the power track, and the sections to make the circle, a point, a buffer stop, and some straight sections. In the set you get 3 cars as is illustrated on the front of the box. Here you see you've got the 3 cars, the power car and the dummy car and the coach, and here we've got the train controller and the adapter, and you also get a buffer stop. Let's lift this out and see what we've got. We've got a Hornby leaflet. How about that? What a nice picture of a train. What's it say? 00 gauge model railways and accessories. So it's a comprehensive catalogue of items, which will come in handy if you are an avid collector of Hornby stuff. It's listing all the things you can collect. I must say there's masses of stuff to collect. And you get the Hornby step-by-step guide to railway modelling. It shows you how to make a baseboard, how to connect up the electric wires, that shows an example track mat. This is the track mat you get supplied with the Hornby 2012 Olympic train set. Let's unfold it. Track mat is the same size as the other Hornby track mats, but it has a rather interesting design. The track mat shows the Olympic icons that appear on the train itself on a much smaller scale. This is the icon for the Paralympic Games. Here we see the icons for diving, swimming, that's formation swimming, water polo, what's that, archery, running, tennis, what's that, I think it's basketball, boxing. London 2012. I think this artwork is quite interesting. That's obviously the Battersea Power Station, London Eye and Big Ben, St Paul's Cathedral, the Gherkin and Tower Bridge. This is the power car. You can see it says London 2012 on it, and on the front here you can see it, one side is the main Olympics, and the other side is the logo for the Paralympics, this side. And along the body are the icons that I previously showed you that appear on the track mat. The front of the loco has fitted windscreen wipers, and it also has lights that illuminate when the unit travels forwards. But on this particular model, red lights are not shown when the vehicle travels in reverse. On the front here, it has the unit number, which is 395001. No train was ever painted into this livery. It's a purely fictional livery. Nevertheless, it's quite fun, isn't it? This view shows the top of the model, which, unlike all the other Class 395 trains, the top is finished in gold. Perhaps it is to represent the gold medal that you might win at the Olympics. There is a sort of a representation of the pantograph here. You can raise it into position, but it's very flimsy, and very often if you buy one of these trains second hand, you often find that the pantograph is missing. So that is the point to be aware of, is to check that the pantograph is present before you order. This is the centre coach. They only supply just one coach in the set, but you can make up a 4-car train by getting an additional coach.